Hey everyone, welcome to the speak. Today we're going to take a look at WhatWaf. Excuse me. It's an alternative to WafWoof. And for those of you who don't know, WafWoof actually is signature based, so it oftentimes will find heuristic based reporting or give you heuristic based results. WhatWaf and Nuclei are some other tools that you can use to just kind of validate that. So when you're ready, open a shell or a terminal, and let's go ahead and get started. You can cd over to the OPT directory and then git clone from Eucalitech or Eucalitech. Not so sure how that's pronounced, but if you have any trouble, go ahead and just use the sudo command and then chown that ownership. So once you're ready, we're going to go ahead and run a Python virtual environment to set that up for a WhatWaf. And when you're ready, go ahead and source that. And you should see here at the bottom, WhatWaf environment. And after that, we can switch over here. And you're going to run a sudo app update and sudo app install -y python 3 setup tools. And what this is going to do is allow us to go ahead and install the pip requirements here when we run the pip install -r requirements txt file. And that will go through and install all the prerequisites for our Python script. And once you're ready, go ahead and do python setup py.install. And if you get this error message, that's not uncommon. What we want to do is go ahead and rerun that command that actually sets things up for us. And then we'll go ahead and do that Python install requirements again. And finally, we should be able to up arrow and set that up from an install. And if we get troubleshooting issues, again, you're running into that same instance that we had last time. So I'm going to pause the video here for a moment so you can actually try to troubleshoot that on your own or check your notes and then come back. And if not, just hang tight. We'll be right back. Thanks. Okay, if you didn't notice, what we need to do is just run a pip install setup tools one more time and then rerun our install script. And once it's ready, you should get at the end everything ready to go. And now we should be able to do which WhatWaf and see that it's actually in our pass statement. And now we can run WhatWaf -u and we can hit our target. And in this case, it's having difficulty because it's expecting a particular argument and it's not bright enough to grab that target. So that's quite all right. We'll just do it this way. And now you can see that it's kicking off. And we'll let it run its thing here. And in this case, there is no WAF protecting this, but it is a wonderful utility to leverage in conjunction with WafWoof just to validate your results. So I'm going to go ahead and see if I can't give you just one more output here with that target to see if we can trick that. So hang tight. I'll be right back. Thanks. Okay, we're back. So as you can see here, WafWoof's output detects no WAF, right? It says no WAF detected by the generic detection. When you run WhatWaf, you will see here that it does identify ASP.NET as well as open source mod security WAF. So again, your mileage will vary, but this is why we like to use multiple tools on an engagement rather than just relying on one. So anyhow, I hope you add WhatWaf to your arsenal and have a chance to test it out. We'll see you next time, everyone. Take it easy. Peace.